day everyone! For this video, we are going to discuss noise and how it affects our communication system. But first, let us discuss what is noise. Noise is a random, undesirable electrical signal that may distort or affect the signal we are trying to transmit or receive. And by Shannon's model, the noise takes place between the transmitter and the receiver.
So now let us proceed for the classification of noise. These are the external noise, atmospheric, extraterrestrial, and man-made noise. For the atmospheric noise, these are the electrical disturbances in the atmosphere. While extraterrestrial noise is the noise made from the space, and man-made noise is the industrial noise caused by machine.
We're going to proceed to our internal noise, kung saan is nakapabilang nga doon is yung Gaussian noise natin. So meron tayong formula dito na Bn is equals to 4k TV times the total resistance, kung saan yung A is the Boltzmann constant and the B is the bandwidth, while the R is the total resistance, and yun lang, makuha na natin yung noise voltage natin. So isa pa sa internal noise natin is the shot noise, kung saan ito yung random arrival of electrons. So makukuha natin yung current ng shot noise using this formula. So square root of 2E times the ID and the bandwidth, kung saan yung is the electron charge constant, samantalang yung I sub D is the directly gauge current.
Now let's proceed to the transit time use. This happens when the electron move at slightly different speeds that may cause slightly random changes in the signal. So this may cause signal distortion. Let's proceed to the internal noise. The first one is flicker noise, in which caused by resistance fluctuation in our devices. The next one is the intermodulation, in which the distortion from mixing signals from our linear system. The last one is the crosstalk. These are simply the unwanted signal interference.
So yung apat pa na additional miscellaneous noise ay impulse noise, na kung saan nandito yung sudden na disruption sa signal, interference na kung saan nandito yung combination ng waves altering sa amplitude, at yung burst noise na kung saan nandito yung involvement ng step-like voltage changes, at yung last, yung avalanche noise na kung saan nandito yung high voltage breakdown na nakaka-apekto sa semiconductor.
Dito naman sa signal to noise ratio, ginagamit natin to para makumpara kung gaano kalakas yung signal power natin kumpara sa noise power. So, ang formula niyan is the logarithm of signal power over noise power. Dito naman, yung noise figure natin, which is F, ang formula niyan is 10 logarithm of 1 plus Tn over To. Yung F natin is noise figure expressed in decibel, yung Tn is noise temperature, yung To is environmental or reference temperature expressed in Kelvin. Ngayon, mula dito sa noise figure na formula, mag-derive natin yung Tn or noise temperature, which is ito, To times 10 raised to F over 10 minus 1. So that's all, thank you.